So you asked, and here I am to deliver the video on how to apply. So first, go to your browser and type DAAD. Click the first that pops up, and then we're looking for study and research in Germany. Click universities and program, and then next go to international programs. Since now we know the course we're looking for, so type international education management and then search. So we have a list of courses that popped up. We're going to filter to master's degree because I suppose this is a master's degree that the person asked for. And then I'm looking for international educations management. It seems it's not in the list of international courses. And so I would go back to the home page and go to all degree programs. Maybe it's not an international program. And then I type again international educations management. First, we can see that this has more study programs compared to the international programs. And there it is. So I'll just check if there's another international educations management program. No, so it's probably the first one that the person saw and is asking about. And there you go. You have all the details. It's a master's degree. The location is in Ludwigsburg, and the deadline to apply is March 2027 for Germans, and for non-EU it's July 2026. And then we have the overview of the program and admission requirements and the focus of the program. You see the application deadline for all the different types for international students, for Germans, for members from the EU region, and also all other information. You also see um, details on who to contact if you have questions. So I always advise that if you're not sure, you should use this. So you have the Student Advisory Service, the International Office, there's the email address there. Always try to use it and send them an email. So we want to see more information about the admission requirements, and I clicked the website. He went to the school page, which is in German, and then I changed the language to English. And then we go to studies, study program. We're looking for international educations management. So we see it's a part-time course. Glance through, see all the relevant information, know the admissions criteria, all the documents you need. So let's go to the web page of the study program to get more details. And I feel like I like this because there's a lot of information to read. We can see the application period for the winter term and when it ends. So the one for 2026 has ended. So I'm guessing it would show for when it ends for 2027. And I like that you can see like information, what students say, the names. So if you want to apply, you can look for these people on LinkedIn, send them a message, ask them a question. The worst that can happen is they wouldn't respond or they wouldn't reply to you. And all the details are there, the deadline, um, tells you what to do. And I feel like people should read. So it's as detailed as it should be, which I really like about this. So it tells you your documents, if it should be translated, the application documents you need, how to even save it. Interesting. All the list of documents you need so you can even prepare before the application is open. And here we see the DAAD scholarship. So this program is also eligible for the DAAD scholarship. Interesting to know. and it says application must be submitted via the application portal. And then I click the link, change the language to English, and it takes you to the application portal, which is quite easy. See the link for applicants, click on it, read the information if you want to, and then read everything. I would actually advise that you read all the information, and then you see register now, and then fill in the information to register and start your application. It says you create a password, and then I guess they'll send you an email after on how to upload your documents, and that's it. So let me know if this helped you and if you were able to figure it out. If there's another course you want me to walk through, please type it in the comments or request for a one on one consultation and we can look through it together.